Workshop Wednesday, everybody. What's up? We're almost towards the end of the week, end of the day. We made it though.
He didn't bother to ask, did he?
Elijah's over there on the phone, jibber jabbering, passing the day. Me, I'm passing the day here. Got a buckle going. Kind of an odd shaped buckle, but it's what my customer wanted. So it's a kind of a, you take some of the Ranger style buckles I've done, that'd be this side. And he said, I want it both sides. And so, but a center bar buckle, but then we got a hook on it. So it's kind of different, but it's kind of cool. You can't see it, but I got a bunch of scrolls drawn on there. All be relief engraved, and then you see what's going on there. All that's going to be, we're working on the pinstripe inlays that go all the way around, and got a little twist going on it. I've now named this little twist to where you see it's you can see it there. It's beveled, and then as it comes around here to the edge, it's flat and straight. So it's vertical, then horizontal there. I call that my Hawkstrat twist. Brian Hawkstrat's the first one I saw do that, and he just does an incredible job of it. And anyhow, I've named it. It's the Hawkstrat twist. Sorry, Brian. You're incorporated into the world now. But anyhow, cool buckle. Cool what's going on. I finished the Spurs up that I've been working on, and they're a present. They're a gift. So I surprise. So I haven't showed many pictures. Been pretty dead on social media. I apologize for that. There's a lot more stuff to post probably, but I haven't done a good job of it. So my bad. And it looks like the old screen. I'm kind of wanting to rub the. Hold on, y'all. Watch this. I got to rub the camera. Whoa. Y'all still there? Mess up your hair? How's mine? Oh, it's good. Anyhow, probably didn't help anything. Probably put something in the middle of the camera lens. Anyhow, yeah, I haven't showed many pictures, and I apologize for that. I'm gonna do a Patreon video of it here in a minute and talk about them, what I got done. Got them all painted and engraved, and I'm proud of them. They were fun. They were a cool pair of Spurs. So anyhow, sign up Patreon and you can go look. So that brings up a question: is there's a lot that I could do, maybe. I'm not sure what that is, and that's my question to you. If you're not a maker and you're not somebody interested in the nuts and bolts of bit and spur making, but there's an aspect of my world that's of interest to you, shout out to me about what you want. But leave a comment or drop me a message or something that would make you, so I have an option on Patreon for $1 a month. Is there some $12 a year? And if you sign up for a year, it's cheaper than that to give you a discount. So is there something that I could post maybe weekly or occasionally? Is there something that I can put out there that would have interest you, that be of interest to you, that would be worth $1 a month to come see what's going on? And I don't know if it got too big, well, we could up it at $5 a month or something. I don't know. It's all time. See what's going on. But is there information? Is there content that would be of interest to you for me to put out and see what's going on? Anyhow, Patreon is doing good. Doing lots of videos on there. I think I had 700 posts or something I was looking at. So that means, there's 2 years of it there, stuff on there, which means I've been going longer than that. But anyhow. That's good. How about Monday Mornings with Carrie and Willie, the podcast? Find it on Spotify. I mean, we've had some really cool guests lately. That's been good. And Schwartzy, he's off in Arizona this week, having a big old time hanging out with his family. But we got the podcast done for this week, and then we're going to record next week's on Monday and post it. So it may be a little bit late getting out if you're a 7 o'clock drop guy or lady. Might not happen at 7, but anyhow, it's going to happen. What else? Life is good. I don't know. This buckle's fun. Having lots of fun with the inlays and all the different things. So life is busy. My girl's playing basketball, and my youngest one, a big district tournament this weekend. So family's good. Life is good. My dad turned 80 January 19th, and I think I had said something about it last week. But anyway, that was quite a party and quite lots of people and just a lot of fun. So life is good. I appreciate everybody, and we'll see you next week. Adios.